Now, the cryptocurrency market continues to face problem after problem after problem, and it's almost as though right now, investors don't care about those problems. It's almost as though Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna Classic are going to go up regardless of what the economy is doing, regardless of what political uncertainty is out there. But the SEC is coming knocking on our door. The SEC wants to come in and rain on our parade. The SEC wants to come in and ruin the party, and they are sort of starting to do that. Guys, we got some more information about the latest crackdown by the SEC onto the cryptocurrency market, and it does look like a good thing. It looks like a great thing that the SEC is going to come in and clean up the cryptocurrency space, but they could absolutely stifle growth as well. And I want to talk about this balance between what the SEC can do that is going to be beneficial and how the SEC could absolutely take the cryptocurrency market, turn it upside down on its head, and we see prices like Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna Classic, and so on begin to move lower. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And, it is definitely a dip that we are on right now. Whether it's going to continue on dipping, I don't know, but prices will eventually go higher than, or should eventually go higher than they are right now. Guys, let's talk about the SEC. So the latest crackdown, the latest news in the cryptocurrency space, if you go out there and Google crypto news, you're going to find that the SEC cracking down on a $300 million Ponzi scheme, I guess citing 11 people, arresting 11 people, fining 11 people, whatever the deal is with that. But the cryptocurrency space is just riddled with scams and problems and thieves right now. And this is one of the biggest parts that the SEC can actually crack down on and improve in the cryptocurrency space. If you look at current centralized exchanges, Voyager, Vault, ZipMex, or whatever they were, you've got Coinbase, Binance, and you start to name some of the big ones, Crypto.com. You get a little scared. How are you going to compare Voyager to Coinbase? That's not right. Well, guys, what is happening in the cryptocurrency space is that these unregulated deposits, I'm calling it a deposit, the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are calling it a loan. If I deposit money, I expect to have access to that money. If I deposit cryptocurrency, or if I deposit money into a cryptocurrency account and buy cryptocurrency with it, it's all of a sudden considered a loan. And not just any old loan that I can expect to receive an income on and get back. No, it is an unsecured general creditor loan. They can do whatever they want with it. And if they lose it, I have no chance of getting it back. Think about that. That is what this wild, wild west of a cryptocurrency space has turned into. And I do believe that the SEC can absolutely regulate where and what these centralized exchanges are doing with the money. If they're running a Ponzi scheme, they do need to be disciplined. Let's just put it that way. They need to be disciplined if they're running a Ponzi scheme. If they are unknowingly loaning your money out to third-party investors like Three Arrows Capital Hedge Fund without any regard to risk, because they don't care. It's not their money in the first place. What does it matter if you lose somebody else's money, right? Just as long as you can get as high as return as possible, what does it matter if you lose when it's not yours? That is what is taking place in the cryptocurrency space. Every centralized exchange that is loaning money out should be regulated in the sense that it's not their money to begin with. They should have some sort of a duty and some sort of a responsibility to their customers in the crypto world. And right now, they do not. The SEC can absolutely crack down on this. But let's say the SEC comes in and the SEC, and they are doing this, starts claiming that this is a security. It's under their jurisdiction. This is a security. It's under their jurisdiction. This is a secure, and I'm talking Luna Classic, Shiba Inu coin, Ethereum, some of the larger names out there, right? If they start to come in and say, we want to regulate this individual coin, we've seen it with Coinbase, guys. They're calling that 9 of the coins that are on Coinbase right now, they're calling them securities. They're saying that Coinbase is acting illegally by listing and selling these securities when they should not be doing so. This is a two-folder, okay? If the SEC is going to determine what is and what is not a security in the cryptocurrency space, it will absolutely stifle growth. Some of the coins like Shiba coin could never come into existence because the SEC will charge way too much for regulatory paperwork, and there will be way too much of a barrier to entry for new cryptocurrencies to evolve. So the SEC could absolutely do damage and hinder crypto growth. Think about that. These guys out there that are trying to come up with the best and the next coin and the biggest innovation possible can't do so because they don't have the funding necessary to follow the paperwork with the SEC. That is one of the major problems that the SEC could cause. Now, the secondary problem, like I mentioned, the SEC says that Coinbase can't list these securities. They're not talking about Luna Classic. They're not talking about Shiba Inu coin right now. It was 9 coins that aren't very high in popularity. But what this signals for Coinbase is that they could face fines. They could face suspensions. They could face penalties. And Coinbase is currently in enough trouble right now that if they have any more problems, if they lose any more customers, if their revenue drops any more than it is right now, if their net profit is even larger loss than it is right now, they risk bankruptcy. They talked about it in Q1. We're going to get Q2 earnings next week, and it could absolutely be detrimental. Guys, Coinbase is one exchange. We get it. But with almost 90 million users, if Coinbase goes down, it would be like the entire United States economy going down. Think about it. It's not just an isolated event in the crypto world. It would devastate crypto markets across the globe. Prices would just fall from the skies if Coinbase goes down. So the SEC, they want their hand in your pocket. They want to be in control, and they want to take as much money from us as they possibly can. They're going to do it under the cover of a good old security, right? We're going to bring security to your markets. We're going to bring regulations to your markets. We're going to bring fairness to your markets. Well, we'll see how that works out when they start to take Coinbase, one of the largest makers of the markets, of the cryptocurrency markets out there, when they start to take Coinbase down and potentially fine and penalize Coinbase for what they've been doing with securities as opposed to coins. But guys, I want to know what you think. Down in the comments below, do you think SEC regulation is going to be a good thing, a bad thing, or do you think, kind of like me, that it's got its pros and it has its cons as well? Let us know down in the comments. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You got a Discord. Make sure to join the Discord. It's absolutely free. You get 6 free stocks on Webull. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.